Dollar Tree haul, girl. So, girl, it's this huge Dollar Tree, girl, and I found some new dupes, girl. So let's get into it, girl. The first thing I got, girl, I found the last dupe of the collection, like Olay dupe lotion, basically. This is the collagen, like it's good. It smells like serum. But girl, what sold me too is the packaging. Y'all know I love a good pink, and when I saw this, girl, when I tell you I grabbed it so fast, girl. And then y'all know I'm all about putting y'all on to new lip stuff. So they got this new Clean Beauty lip stain lipstick, girl. I got it in the shade Classic Red. And of course I had the red because what? The Dollar Tree is stepping up their Zoom, girl. They got this luxury room mist, girl. It's called Island Vibe. I didn't smell this in the store, but if it's nasty, it's just $1. So well, that smells good. It smells. And basically, my nose be getting like stopped up sometimes, so I got this little like inhaler thing for like my nose and stuff. And basically, when I saw this, basically, I grabbed it so fast. They had these fragrance roll-on with glitter. Y'all know I'm a sucker for glitter, and it's a perfume because I never seen it at my Dollar Tree until today. I got the scent Blueberry, which y'all know I got the fall blueberry scent, and then I got strawberry pound cake, so I got the strawberry scent. And then best thing, I don't got this cocoa butter. I don't know why, because I try to put it on like my face sometimes just because like my face be like extra dry sometimes. We got this. And then best thing, y'all know I be putting y'all on best thing. At nighttime before you go to bed, rub some coconut oil on your feet, girl. Any coconut oil, I got a little cheap kind from the feet be so soft and moisturized, girl. But bestie, let me know, girl, if you like some of these Dollar Tree dudes, besties. And the next time, bestie,